hurts.
We have an ambulance on the way to check that out for you, okay? So right now...
Hi. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? Are you the only one home right now?
A what?
Are you the only one home right now?
No, I'm with my mom.
You're with your mom? Okay. Do you mind stepping out here for us really quickly so we can clarify some things? So, right now, due to the conditions...
What's your name?
Crystalline, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So right now, due to the conditions from the incident that happened, what was it, last week with your mom and everybody, one of the remedies that they gave to you, you can't be here. So by you being right here right now is violating the bail bond that was set for you.
A what? How did you know that I'm here?
Somebody reached out to us.
Yeah, we're just doing our due diligence and our check.
So what are you gonna do? I'm still eating.
Who is?
I'm still eating.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we can figure all that out. But right now, I'm gonna have to put you under arrest, okay, for the violation.
What? No way. You can't understand. No,
Come here.
no, this is
Crystal
my
Lynn,
place.
it's gonna make this worse. Stop.
This is my
Open the door.
place.
Step out.
This is
Go in.
my place. Stop! Stop!
Put your hands behind your back.
No!
You're gonna get charged with
Crystal,
resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
No! Stop!
Listen, if
Stop!
You're gonna get a...
Don't do that! Stop you! Don't do that!
You're up on your side right away?
Don't do that!
All right, roll up on your
Don't
side.
do that!
You're under arrest, man.
Hit it out!
Crystalline, do you want us to call an ambulance for you? Do you want to stay down there, or do you want me to help you up?
What the f*** off in here?
Well, if you stop yelling, I can help explain everything to you.
Harass me!
Well, you're violating
What are you violating? What?
Open that one.
19.
I can't breathe. Oh, my heart, it hurts.
We have an ambulance on the way to check that out for you, okay? So right now, just come over by the back of the car.
Hold on, put your hand behind. I'm going to double lock them so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
What are you doing this? What is this? I don't understand. Eating and you arresting me for no reason.
Do you wanna sit down on the curb to wait for the fire department? It might be a little more comfortable. We're gonna help you down, okay?
You let my mom in my
Okay, so we just took her into custody. She was resisting a little bit. We had to take her down to the ground. She said she couldn't breathe, so we just want you guys to check her out, make sure everything's all right.
All right, good to go. Appreciate it.
Get it for what?
Crystalline?
Crystalline?
I don't understand.
Hey, Crystalline, I'm John. Do you mind if we just take a look at you and make sure you're okay? Is that all right?
Where are you?
You said you're having trouble breathing. They're here to help with that.
Yeah, where are you? Whatever, I don't even know where
Are you in any distress right now, physically?
I'm not stressed.
No. Are you physically
just
in any
don't
distress?
Distressed?
Is anything hurting you right now? That's what I'm trying to ask you.
Yeah, he hurting me.
Okay, do you mind if we take a look at you really quick?
Yeah,
Is that okay? We're not going to go anywhere. We're just sitting here in the back of the ambulance. Is that all right with you?
Yeah, oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Do you mind just taking a seat? And we'll take it from here, okay?
Taking me anywhere.
I promise you. Yeah, you might there. It's all about the victim's address.
Right. So the reason why we showed up here was because she was arrested last week for domestic battery.
Okay.
This address is a protected address for the victim where they reside. Part of the bail bond, she's not allowed to be here. She's in violation.
Okay.
So we came to hook her up for being in violation of the bail bond.
Okay.
When I explained to her what was happening, that's obviously, she said no. She tried to close the door on us. We went in. We took her down to the ground to an effective arrest.
Okay, cool.
Exactly.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Put your seatbelt on, okay?
Thanks, Kevin.
Yeah, probably.
Was Mom home?
No, I don't think anybody's home. Nobody answered. So between that and the fact that no one addressed us, I don't know what she said about Mom, but...
She just said, I just know that she screamed Mom, but I asked her if she was the only one home. She said no. So...
Hey, Crystalline. Hey, my name is Eric. I'm the sergeant here on this shift. I just wanted to verify with you. Is anyone home inside your apartment? Your mom or son or anybody?
My mom's not there.
No one's home?
I don't know. My mom was there.
She was there?
Yeah, she was there, and she was like, she went outside. You
So
know?
last you knew she was home inside here?
Yeah, before you came, you were, when my mom's like, get up, then you guys came.
When was the last time you saw your mom?
Before you guys came, the photo because...
Right before?
Yeah, right before, you know,
Okay.
like...
I'm gonna put this window up so it doesn't get too hot in there for you, okay?
Man, I just woke up and I'm eating, you know, there's respecting me.
Yeah, unfortunately the judge says you're not allowed to be here.
This is my place, this is not my mom place,
It's not up to us, it's not up to me or them, it's up to the judge, and that's what the judge said.
It's up to the judge.
That's what the judge told you at court. Well, we'll talk to you more back at the station.
Did she confirm or say that mom was home?
She said that mom was here right before the police got here, and that she may have gone for a walk, and he hadn't seen her since the police got here.
Okay.
We were just talking about whether or not there's enough for us to need to go back in and do like just a check to make sure no one else is there.
No, I mean, you guys were physically...
Oh, for no reason!
Let's deal with this first, and then we'll worry about it.
I'm out of...
Go back to the station, okay?
I'm f***ing crazy! You didn't even let me finish my phone! I don't understand what my violation. I don't really understand what my violation. Seriously.
I understand. So when we get back, I'm going to make sure that you understand, and we're going to walk through it. And anything you don't understand, let me know so I can clarify.
I don't understand why you arresting me for. You don't even warrant of arrest.
Okay, so I told you it was for violation of being at your house, okay?
What do you mean being for my house? I don't understand. I never heard that shit. You know, it sounds like a weird. Really, seriously.
I understand.
You know, I don't understand this.
I understand. It's not up to me. It's up to the judge and the parameters that he set.
I never heard this before.
Crystalline was charged with 1 count of violation of bail bond, 1 count of resisting an officer, and 1 count of simple battery. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.